We're in the middle of construction here. We're here doing some drone shots. We've got this, we're gonna be weather tight before you get any rain, which is awesome. This went up quick. We're siding the entire house. Love it. Came in here and saw that we got this height. I got excited. I mean, it's a full 9.5 foot ceiling. We oversized the bathroom. This bathroom gonna have laundry in it, nice big walk-in closet, and now the ceilings to kind of top it all off. The existing home has a little bit lower ceilings, so the client wants to have that nice open feel. We're doing that here. We're also doing that upstairs. So always exciting. This is gonna be a great family room. Nice French doors out to the deck. A lot of good space here. How much work we got done in 1 week. That's what I'm talking about. The client's happy. We've actually added some nice cool stuff to it since then. Give us another week, it's gonna even be better.